All right, this is Unit 5, Module 1, Session 4, Game Story Problems Continued, Part 2. Once again, you'll want to preface the vocab so that the students get extra practice with this, and you're going to continue using the Game Story Problem worksheets the teacher masters. As we recommended, hopefully you might have already covered this in the previous lesson. But if not, you'll start with that, and then the students will show their work. But ideally, you might be starting with this next problem, talking about sidewalk chalk and how many pieces of chalk Juan bought. And so then after you go through that with the students and explain their work and share their thinking, they're going to write their own story problems. So you're going to want to go over guidelines for writing a story problem. Basically, keep it interesting. Don't give away your answer. Give enough information to solve the problem. And I think this is really important. Answers should be under 125. Factors should be between 3 and 15 to make sure. Now, we are trying to encourage the students to do division problems, but that might be a challenge for them, so you might have to help them with that aspect of it. Like here it says, some of the examples they give, I want 72 crayons. The store lady said our crayons come in 8 boxes, so that's an example. And like, even though you don't have to use these sheets, you could give them the example of like these sheets, how you're at a store and how they come in groups, and that's one way to preface it. And then you could make a next step where students get to try and solve their problems or something like that.